In this video, I'm going to show you how to animate your subtitles in Premiere Pro. Assumes that you already know how to create and edit captions to make them look how you want. Assuming you have your captions created and edited the way that you want them to look, including their positioning, their scale, their color, and their font. Now, it's time to animate it. Before we start, we need to select the text. Then go up to Effect Controls. Here under the graphics, you can see many available options. You can click the clock icon to add keyframes to it. With the keyframes, you can change their position, scale, and rotation to make a good animation text. Now let's create a keyframe by clicking here and then setting the scale. I want to make a pop-up effect, so I'm going to change its scale to 80. Then move 5 frames forward and set the scale to 100. Then move 5 frames forward and set the scale back to 80. Now you can see it has a pop-up effect. Now your first text layer is animated. To make other text layers animated as well, we can simply select the transform effect, press Ctrl C. Select the rest of the text layers and press Ctrl V. Now all of the text layers have been animated. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please comment below the video. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. See you next video.